The hand drill, a long spindle sharpened at one end, and a hearth board with a notch carved into its side. Simply 2 pieces of dead wood. As the crows cheer me on in my quest for fire, I think about the skills that come from making something as crucial as fire from nothing but a couple of sticks. I find it deeply empowering. Combining friction and pressure to 2 inanimate pieces of wood until it creates an ember hot enough to nurture it into flame could be considered alchemy, or even likely perceived as magic by those who witnessed it first. The ability to manipulate natural items found on the forest floor into fire is one of humankind's biggest leaps of evolution. Once fire was made, endless possibilities lie ahead, from staying warm or cooking food to forging metal or even the invention of the combustion engine. But let's not dismiss the lessons learned from the practice itself. Using friction and pressure to manipulate something or someone can be as powerful and limitless as your imagination will allow you to take it. It can be used for good or evil, for growth or destruction. Friction and pressure is being used every day to manipulate our choices as consumers. It's also used with good intention to hold us accountable for our actions. The friction nor the pressure makes the decision on which path to take. It's the one applying these forces purposely together who have the opportunity to make the decision to influence and how they influence. However, those kinds of decisions are not available to those who do not understand and learn the applications and skills of friction and pressure. Without this knowledge, being influenced by friction and pressure go unnoticed.